Look guys, nice quick one for you today. I recently bought a 3D printer. It's that way, printing right now, and it's been awesome, but I didn't have a curing station and it's really irritating. I was having to leave stuff outside to cure or on the windowsill for like days at a time. It wasn't curing, and I looked at the curing stations and they were expensive, so I came up with my own homemade solution, and that's what we're going to do today. All you need, dead easy. Oh, I got blur in my fingers. 1, a box. 2, a UV light. 3, some tin foil. That's it. Good to go. So let's do it. So get yourself a box. Size is completely up to you, but obviously you want something that you can cure small things, and if you're going to print some larger stuff, make sure it's big enough to accommodate both. And then take the lid off, make sure the box has got a lid. That's important. Take the lid off, and then mark out a hole in the top of your lid that you're going to cut. You want this to be about the same size as your light. Okay, once you've got it marked out, it's just a simple task now of cutting it out. Definitely use a better tool than I used. I used a Stanley knife here, and I more broke the hole in it than I cut. But it worked out okay in the end. But yeah, you could definitely use a hacksaw or something probably that was a little bit better. While you're watching a grown man struggle to cut a little tiny hole in some plastic, feel free to drop a like and a subscribe down below. It really helps out the channel. I would appreciate it massively. There's also merch stores and all that jazz down the bottom, and anything I use today I will either link the exact product like with the light, or something very similar like with the box down below. They are affiliate links of Amazon, and if you use them apparently I get a kickback, or so the word on the street is. I've yet to see it, but there we go. And that's no extra cost to you guys, so nearly there. Finally. Right, next up you're going to take some tin foil, and we're going to just line the whole box of tin foil. The idea being that as the UV light gets bounced around, it cures the model from all around, which is effectively simulating that words turny thing. Why can't I do words? Effectively simulates it spinning around in the curing machine. So that's the goal. Just drag out your tin foil, put it all across the lid. I used a hot glue gun to hold it down, but you can use super glue, blue tack, sellotape, whatever you want really. It's completely up to you. As long as you can somehow fix it to the sides, you're golden. Warning, shiny side out. Say it with me guys, shiny side out, obviously. Once you finish your lid, just cut the hole away from the tin foil so you're left with a gap, and then repeat the exact same thing for the rest of the box. That's it guys, done. Easy as that. Cost hardly anything. It was the light was about £16, I think it was, 16 quid. The box was like a £5, but you've probably got them at home anyway. Tin foil was like £1, but you probably got that at home anyway. And the curing stations, whilst they look cool, they're like £100. So for me it was a no-brainer. I may in the future go to the curing station, but for now this is plenty for me. Things are curing in like minutes now as opposed to days, so it's £20 well spent if you ask me. I'll leave all links below to all the stuff so you can pick some of the stuff up if you want yourself. Please like, share and all that jazz, and I'll catch you on the next one. Laters. Oh, look at one of these videos, just help me out.